Well, hello YouTube land. So, latest purchase. 2004 Silverado. Lifted 4x4. It's a simple LS model, but heck, she's been upgraded quite a bit. And if you can see from down there, she is pretty crusty on those rockers, like every single goddamn Chevy from the South. But she has an amazing Carfax, which I might include in the back of this if I ever remember to do this shit. But she's very well lifted. Let's see, what is the kick call down here? There it is. Super fit. Yeah. Alright. But yeah, the rust down here is deplorable. I traded the Escalade for this. My buddy decided he didn't want it, so I got it back. Should have these off-roading tires, which are pretty shot. I'm going to be trading these off for some stockies. I'm also selling the secondary set you can see in the bed there. Yep, this thing came with 2 sets of off-roads. I'm not a big fan. Headlights are fogged over. This one has water in it. New replacements on the way. Working on a badge, because this one is shot. Same thing as this one, water in it, and a rusted front bumper. Working on that. And this side, approach the same thing. A little rusty, a little crusty. Yep. She does have a very nice bed liner in here. Don't mind the green, I just blew it off from that box there. Now the old owner did put this box on here and took off the rails. The rails are down there, which I have no need for because I like the box. Just got to replace that key latch. Fortunately, the liner, the wheel well here is shot, and it's shot way into here. Oh, I just realized. No wonder it's rusted out. The fucking liner's gone. Well, fuck me. Again, they have this aftermarket locked up fuel thing. I don't know why people do this, but whatever. Interior is very nice. Everything works. She gets a 5.4 with 209. I will be doing my LED conversion and replacing out the god-awful dual radio in here. Now, under the hood. Got a very dirty but strong 5.2, is it? I fucking forget. 4.8, 5.2, same thing. But yeah, she's mean though. Airbox actually pretty clean, and unfortunately the 04s did not have a cabin filter, so fuck. Back bumper is shot. It's about to be colors. God damn it. Tow hitch on a lifted truck. That might be interesting to do. Champion, I think, just to say, goddamn bugs. I blew out the gutters, now the mosquitoes are all acting up. Yeah, these are the aftermarkets right here. I'm going to sell these ones off. And look how nice that bed liner is. It's a goddamn shame that the wheel won't rusted out. This one's starting to as well, but not as much. Fuck you, mosquito. Again, very nice interior. I love the dark interior and bucket seats, so that's a win. Dash has a little crack right there. I think it's a crack. But yeah, she is gonna be my daily until the charger is back, and we'll get to see a video on that one. Oh yeah, aftermarket exhaust. Strange thing, it's had 11 exhaust changes according to the Carfax. So goddamn. Door lights are burnt out like every single Chevy. Interesting design. There's only one bar there, so that'd be a quick little install, swap out. Meantime, let's fire her up. Not that key. The most worn out copper key I've seen in a while. Let's see, check engine lights for a O2 sensor, like every single thing. Everything on her works, so put her in 4 high. There she goes. Put her in 4 low. Come on, girl. No? We'll put her back in 2 high. Put her back in 4 low. Huh. Interesting. Okay. Photo 4. That works. Yeah, that little motor going. Again, this thing runs quiet. It's filthy, it's dirty. It's got, surprisingly, it has a clutch clutch powered fan. I might convert that later. But yeah, everything else on her is running real nice. Has a pretty goddamn good, blocked off that side. Pretty damn good exhaust. See if I got that right. Alright. Yeah, that's good. One sec. Like a champ. I think it's a Flowmaster. I'm not fully sure yet. All the lights work, although they are cracking. Take out those stickers because I don't like them. Now, I'm going to be replacing the mirrors here. Got these big, beautiful fuck you bastards. This one's already still mostly boxed up. Although covering every kind of gruel that came out of my gutters. That was done on my part, but hindsight's 2020. Yeah, look at these things. Can't wait to install that. That's the brake light out of I think my Tahoe. Wasn't gonna put these on the Tahoe, but decided against it. This may be a fun one. Headliner is droopy. Might replace that with a junkyard special. Smells good. AC blows nice and cold. You can't tell, but it is blowing cold. And I'm being eaten alive by more fucking mosquitoes. But yeah, I'll show the light install later on. I gotta figure that one out myself. But it should be pretty damn easy. I took off that cover moments ago, and we have new floor mats I'm gonna put in. And there's colors. I'm sticking my head in the car, so that way I don't have to just deal with colors. Be right back. Alright, colors is over. Again, she is a very smooth runner. The front wheel hubs are going to be replaced. I have a brand new one sitting in the house already. They arrived way faster than I expected. I got this thing on fucking Monday, and it's already here. And look how fucked up these lights are, goddamn. I'm going to pressure wash the valve covers and everything in here and knock off some of this dirt that flew up from years of going through mud. There's that. But yeah, she is surprisingly a very nice vehicle. Just needs some love. Some TLC. Oh yeah, the cover light actually works in this thing. Look at it. This thing's actually nice and solid too. I haven't opened up in a while, but I don't feel like doing it right now. I think this was from an auction at one point. I'm not fully sure. Either way, it wasn't reported on the Carfax. Turn that back off. What am I forgetting? I think that's pretty much it. Oh, I gotta fix that. Yeah, it came unglued. It happens to these cars. So, I'm gonna figure out what I can do with this girl. And we'll go from there. This thing zooms in again. Meantime, bask in her greatness. I'm hoping to bring her back to brand new and keep this one for a good while. Since I have this one to fix with fucking what's that shit called? New engine. Also stole some spark plugs some fuses to fix the Escalade before I traded it. That's just AC water. This thing goes ice cold. But as I'm getting swarmed by mosquitoes, I guess that'll be the end of it. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. And I'll leave you with a head-on shot. Stand by for the Carfax. We'll go from there. Thanks for watching. This girl. Look at this girl. Revy. Look at little tail. You want a belly scratch? There's my girl. Oh, look at this girl. Boop, boop, boop. A minute and a half, definitely better. Good girl. Revy. Revy. Good girl. Oh my. Good girl.